Hello, sports fans. Welcome to RVing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck, and I'm tackling something today that I haven't done since I owned a 1960-something VW Beetle back in the 80s, to date myself, back when that was my first car. So anyway, today, because I have no idea some of the maintenance on this VW, a lot of it's in the Carfax reports, but who knows when the last time the plugs were changed. So I went ahead and bought new plugs, and I'm going to give it a shot, changing all 5 spark plugs, and hopefully make it extend its life. Now we're going to tackle seeing if I could change the 5 spark plugs. So we're going to see what we could see. First thing I found is that this is just a cover. Wow. And that cover comes right off. Here are what's called the coil. These just pop up, supposedly. Let's see if I can get that. Here's where the plugs are. I know you can't really see. Here's where the plugs are under these coils. These supposedly, yeah, just pop up like that. Supposed to have a special tool for it, or a screwdriver. Apparently, most of these don't need them. And then in this little spot, I click that with a flathead screwdriver to disconnect the wires, and we'll see what happens. So as you can see, I was able to get off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the coils. And down there's the spark plugs. Let's hope I could reach them to get them out now. And these things did just come out pretty easy once I unlocked them. I've got my new plugs ready, and I've already checked the gap on them. Let me show you what that is. So a spark plug has a little gap. You get a tool like this. I knew how many millimeters it needed to be. I put that in and went to the right size and made sure it was nice and snug with the little $1 gap tool from O'Reilly's or AutoZone. And got the headlamp because it's getting a little dark back there. I waited till almost sunset because it was a little warm today, and I'd rather do it in the cool with a little bit of light. So let's get out the last remaining 4 plugs and put in the new plugs. And yes, I said 5 plugs because this is a straight 2.5 VW engine, and yes, a 5-cylinder. Never even knew they made those. All right, all 5 plugs are in. Now on each one of these coils, that one was rusty. Try to get off some of that rust here. There's a rubber boot. That's where I'm going to put some of the dielectric connector grease. Wish me luck. Started it up, ran fine, popped back on that fake looking metal piece, and we're good to go. So a pro did this on YouTube in about 10 minutes. Took me about 30, but if I could do it, anyone could do it. Part of RV life. So thanks for watching. Hope you got something from this. A lot better detailed YouTube videos on how to do this. But for my 2006 VW new Beetle, yes, that's what it's called, 2.5 straight 5-cylinder engine, was a piece of cake. Apparently every VW is a little different, so you wanted to make sure you got the right plugs, make sure you got the right gap set. But for Ninja and I, be positive, be nice, and be active. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Check all the tools, would you? Get them all put away, clean and put away. I just wanted to give you a quick peek of some of these old plugs. At least 4 out of 5 of them. Nasty. Wow. Thanks for watching. Ninja and I greatly appreciate it. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel and give this a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it with somebody who you think might benefit from my terrible mechanics. Again, I'm not a mechanic. I played one on TV once, but if I could do this, anybody could do it. Thanks for watching. You have a great rest of your day. Be positive, be nice, be active.